Ghana Public Health Association has cautioned against too much consumption of processed and carbonated products with high sugar contents. The Ghana Public Health Association has cautioned against too much consumption of processed and carbonated products with high sugar content at a float to create awareness on the negative impact of sugar sweetening beverages on the health of Ghanaians. Professor Paul Amaye of the University for Development Studies said sugar sweetening beverages are associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases.
A gradual reduction in sweetened beverages on the market is the surest way to cut down on sugar intake among the Ghanaian population, according to health experts. Ghana Public Health Association wants government to regulate drinks with high sugar contents in order to reduce the risk of getting kidney and other respiratory-related diseases. Ghana Public Health Association wants government to regulate drinks with high sugar contents in order to reduce the risk of getting kidney and other respiratory-related diseases. Professor Paul Amaye of the University for Development Studies is worried that supermarket chains' decision to commit to an incremental stock of sweetened beverages is killing Ghanaians. He said complete reduction in all drinks with high percentage of sugar in the market would help curb diabetes and cut down on obesity among the population.
The float is a sensitization program that we are embarking on. We are advocating for health as our slogan. One of the reasons behind the whole thing is to advocate for health. Now we are going around to sensitize the individual people in the community, Tamale, and there may be others who are in the nearby communities of Tamale, to the harmful effects that sugar sweetened beverages bring to our lives. We want to sensitize them, let them be alert or aware that, look, this is a harmful product and it has been doing harm over the years. It is about time that we stem the tide of this harmful substance that we have been taking. Frequent intake of it, which is what we all indulge, or most people indulge in, can lead to strokes. It can lead to diabetes, obesity. So most of the children and the adults who are growing big is because they are taking too much of the sugar sweetened beverage, which has got a lot of energy. And when that energy is taken in, it goes to deprive you of other nutrients.
Public Relations Officer of the Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association of the Tamale Metro, Aminu Fusaini, is concerned about the increasing number of cases reported at the health facilities.
And we are just coming around to create awareness on the general public concerning sugary foods. In fact, it is not easy. When we are at the various wards, at the various consulting rooms, day in, day out, people now come in with conditions related to sugar. We want to advocate and talk to our clients that everybody should now reduce the intake of sugar, because this is now causing so many conditions such as diabetes. And the more these conditions are coming to us, the more there is pressure on nurses and midwives at the various wards and units. So we want to appeal to people that they should reduce the intake of these things, so that the more they are healthy, the more the work of nurses also reduce. If there are clients which are not very sick, our workload is also reduced. So I just want to appeal to people that they should reduce the intake of their sugar and get a healthy lifestyle.
Nutrition students of the University for Development Studies who joined the float also shared some insights on the dangers associated with too much intake of sweetened beverages. For years now, there have been demands for government to introduce bold and tough measures to put an end to the role of irresponsible marketing by some major energy drinks, especially the ones with high sugar contents.
We are nutrition students as concerned UDS, and in collaboration with GAND, GHS and other organizations. And we are embarking on this float to educate the people of Tamale on the harmful effects of sugar-sweetened beverages. We hope that by the end of this float, those people who encounter on the streets will be able to educate them on the need to reduce the consumption of sugar-sweetened beverages.
Sugar-sweetened beverages is not just about preparing your food or your tea and adding sugar, but the consumption of those energy drinks, those carbonated drinks that they sell around. So we are just here to encourage them to reduce on the intake of sugar-sweetened beverages in order to have a healthy life. So with a healthy life, you can have a healthy world.
We are taking a short commercial break and we'll return to bring you more.